In this video, I'll show you how to set up subscription products in Woocommerce. Start by signing into your WordPress dashboard. Before creating subscription products, make sure you have the Woocommerce subscriptions extension installed and activated on your website. Next, go to Products and click Add New to create a new product. Enter the product name, description, images, and any other information you want to display. After that, scroll down to the product data section and change the product type to simple subscription or variable subscription, depending on whether you want to offer one or multiple subscription options. Now enter the subscription details, including the recurring price, billing interval, and subscription length if you want it to expire after a certain period. You can also configure sign-up fees or free trial periods if they fit your business model. Next, add the product to the appropriate category, review your settings, and click Publish to make the subscription product available in your store. Once the product is live, test the checkout process using a supported payment gateway that allows recurring payments. Make sure the subscription is created successfully and that future renewals will be processed correctly. Finally, monitor your subscriptions from the Woocommerce dashboard, where you can manage renewals, cancellations, and customer subscription details. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up subscription products in Woocommerce. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.